Alright, a new fragrance from Pete and Pedro. Let's just unbox this baby out and see what's inside. And most importantly, how good this fragrance is. If it smells any good, I'm just gonna tell you what I think about it, honestly. Stay tuned after this intro and don't mind the scissor. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. That's gonna be a short and sweet unboxing and see what's inside this package that Pete and Pedro days contacted me on Instagram. Was like, hello, do you want to smell our new fragrance? I was like, I sure do. Send it over. And I gave him my address, and here it is in front of you guys, in my hands, and my scissor is on my other hand. So let's just unbox this baby out and let's just see what's inside. And I know there's a fragrance inside, and let's see what's the name of this fragrance and how does it smell like? Honestly, I have no idea. I have no clue what's in there. They sent this is Pete and Pedro, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Icon. Okay, then the fragrance name is called Icon. Is there anything else? Oh, it's very dusty. You know what's inside these packages? And there's thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. All right, this is very dusty. You know, the filling inside the package just to make it a little hefty and, you know, to not break any fragile bottles. So let's just unbox this baby out. Icon. Okay. So you better be an icon by Pete and Pedro. So it's a little warm. It's like 90 degrees outside. So let's just see how this fragrance smells like. Let's just spray this baby boy on my hand. Why not? 3 sprays. Oh, I can smell it from distance. It smells like something familiar but citrusier and saltier from distance. I could be wrong. Does it smell like Percival? I think it smells like Percival. This is Percival, but a little different Percival. Yeah, it is actually a Percival. It's good. I actually like it. It's a little bit different Percival, but it definitely gives that Percival feel into it. It's just a little salty marini. It's definitely like a fruitier Percival. I do like this one a lot, and it feels oily, like maybe it's a higher concentration or something. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's definitely, this is good. This is really good, actually, as a matter of fact. And I don't say that slightly. The first fragrance they sent me, I didn't talk nicely about it because I didn't like it until it macerated maybe 5 years later. Then I talked nicely about it. The Aventus clone. But now it's good. But this one, without maceration, is actually pretty good. It feels like a saltier, much fresher, citrusier, brighter Percival, fruitier Percival. Very good one, and I am impressed. Very good for the summer as well. I'm gonna see how long would it last and if it changed later or something. Probably I'm just gonna do a review on it maybe in the future or so. But so far, out of this very first impressions, it's a very good one. I like it a lot. Kind of like a marine oceanic Percival with a little bit fruits. That's a good one, Peter and Pedro. And without making this video way too long, this is it pretty much. This is the unboxing. So let me know in the comment section down below. Have you ever smelled Icon by Peter and Pedro? I would say it's a good one so far out of this very first impressions. But just let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.